Channel Factory. Unlock YouTube advertising. Channel Factory's award-winning software, ViewIQ, helps the world's biggest brands and agencies increase ad performance, lower cost, and ensure brand safety on YouTube. Even YouTube creators can use it to grow and monetize their channels. Here's how it works. ViewIQ offers in-depth intelligence on over 10 billion YouTube channels, videos, and keywords. Research on engagement, targeting, and top-performing content helps advertisers build effective media plans and creators refine their content strategies. ViewIQ's unique integration with YouTube creators offers campaign-transforming benefits. First-party creator data helps advertisers improve audience identification, avoid ad fraud, and ensure best-in-class brand safety. And if you're a creator, verifying with ViewIQ will help increase your channel's revenue. ViewIQ's audience building tools offer sophisticated optimization software for real-time YouTube campaign management. ViewIQ's dashboard analytics deliver real-time campaign performance reports with as much or as little detail as you need to finesse your current and future campaigns. Get started today. Channel Factory. Unlock YouTube advertising.